Our building process started off with our ready-made car, which consisted of wood and some type of plastic that we found in the trash. It didn't exactly work though.
Didn't work out as planned.
Chips even more.
But it's a skateboard now, so...
Now we have a good insight.
After we gained a rough idea of what we wanted our car to look like and to work like, we started sketching out our ideas and we tried to make sure what type of mechanisms we wanted to use in our cars. We started off the building process by drawing out parts of aluminum we were going to cut and then cutting it and bending it.
Hey Michael, what time is it?
It's time to cut the sheet.
Initially we were planning on using tack welding to connect the different parts of our cart. However, this was a tough task considering the fact that we cannot weld aluminum ourselves. Therefore, we had to find a new way to make a strong connection between the parts. This eventually turned out to be using rivets.
Oh wait, what do we have here? It's a wild Romica in her natural habitat. What we tried to do was, first of all, we cut the side part of this steel tube. We tried to make this, but then straight.
Yeah.
So this piece we have here, we already cut it on 45 degrees. And that's one of these pieces. And now we're gonna try to make this piece. We already cut the half of it.
Yeah.
But the thing that's hard is that
Getting the angle right.
Getting the angle right, because this needs to be as straight as this one.
Yeah.
Girls, it's time to suit up.
Yeah.
Whoa!
For the steering mechanism, we used a very simple principle. We decided to go for steel rather than aluminium since this can withstand more forces. The limitation is that it's heavier, but we'll compensate this by making the front fork as small as possible. Also, we're able to weld steel ourselves. We mounted the steering mechanism in 2 different places for more stability, using steel. Furthermore, we have made a very simple handle. The race is short and we are not demanded to use the car more than once, so we decided that this would be most suitable.
Real professional craftsmanship. We're going real bonkers on the professionality here. Whoa, look at that. Sadly, we did face some technical difficulties considering our drive mechanism. It wasn't going as smooth as we hoped it to be, so therefore we used the help of an expert to try and make it drive more smoothly, which we succeeded in eventually. Also, due to aluminum's high flexibility, our construction wasn't that stable as we hoped it to be. If one would move their center of gravity, the entire construction would shift quite a bit. This was also due to the fact that we had only one front wheel, which made the entire construction less stable. We've learned quite a lot during this project, especially the use of new tools which we haven't used before, such as a welder, a turning table, and a pneumatic drill. And after fine-tuning the last bits and pieces of our car, it was finally ready for its first test drive.